Hi everyone, check this out.
What are we doing, Simon?
Well, today we're coming to you from the Gasworks studio here in Woodville, and we're going to be showing you how to strip exterior paint off the exterior side of the window. So,
What paint types do you think we've got here?
we've got enamel and we've got lead. This yellowy one has got all the hallmarks of lead, and I'll talk more about that shortly. But what I'm going to do, you saw me take off a bit of bulk there, but we're going to start a bit from the start. This hasn't been sprayed at all. When you do exterior finishes like weatherboards or on windows like this, you've always got the sun which has been beating up on it for 100 years, and it always takes longer to strip than if you were doing a thin varnish inside the house. But it's not real time because you've let it do its job. So we put the stripper on, so we just leave that now, and that will absorb its weight in, and we'll give it top-ups along the way. We'll give it more stripper to keep it saturated. This is very different to the thick strippers. This is very, very thin. We make it thin so that it absorbs in better. So, now, I'll just take off more of this here. This has been soaking for probably half an hour, and it's probably had 4 coats of stripper in that time. And it gets to a point though that putting more stripper on is a waste of money, because these bubbles and things that we get, they leave the stripper elevated and it can't get to the layers underneath. So we just take off what we can take off.
Water-based paint goes like chewing gum.
Yeah. Generally, you find you've got enamels on top, and they sort of go flaky and bubbly, and then you've got leads under that, and the lead won't actually bubble, it actually goes a bit like clay. This is a tungsten blade, long handled.
Interesting thing, a lot of people go, oh look, that's a beautiful substrate to paint over now that I've gotten rid of all that mess off the top. Why would that not be so?
Well, a few good reasons actually. I'll just get this off here. You're right, a lot of people give that a light sand and paint over top, and it's like playing Russian roulette with 5 bullets and the 6th finger done. This paint here is probably 100 years old, and it is well and truly stuffed. And when you put more paint on top, new paint's quite powerful in its ability to expand and contract. And where you can see it's been failing and all that sort of thing, you're so close to getting the job done right, you might as well just do it from the start. You don't push hard, you only push where the soft material take off. When you hear a scraping noise, that's actually sliding over the hard lead underneath. So if you heat down lead, you'll get lead come into the atmosphere, and if you're not wearing proper T2 masks, you're going to get lead poisoning.
How come the lead's not going to affect you now?
If you sand, you get lead dust. If you heat gun, you get lead vapor, and you breathe it. This does neither. It's all wet, and to keep it wet, as long as you've got good ventilation, then you're fine. You've got this big pile of goo. Now, most of the stripper that I put on is in the goo. It's not floating in the air. Collect it up. So you do this as you go.
Well, it's where the lead paint is, isn't it?
Yeah. What we do is we take the goo that we've created, we go up to the bin, there it is, in the bin, outside, or with the lid on, and that's all controlled there. If you're busy stripping the room with no rubbish control and no ventilation and no masks and all that sort of thing, then you're right in the middle of it all. But probably a good 90% of the stripper I use goes into the paint, and then it is taken off and put outside, and that's all good. Sometimes when the leaf goes on like this, it looks like it's been spatulated on, like they stuck it on and they trialed it out. So. Okay, so leave that to do its job. See if that's going to check the cook when you hear it, crunchy. And there's a good time, but it's very close. And it's going to have more mush.
In scenarios like this too, the paint's baked.
Lead will look like it's doing nothing. So you look at that there, it looks like it's not, I believe everything else did. But lead goes to like a clay.
You listen to it, don't you? It goes like paste when it's ready.
Some of it's still there, but what I'll do is I'll take it what's come away. This is the sound one. Nice, sloppy, silky. Bottom row is looking smart. And because this lead is all wet, there's no risk to you. In our packs, these little blades that come along. And we call them a 4-edge blade. They're really good. These sort of parts, people often ask about putty. You run it down, it's got little extensions and they're not sharp on these, they don't scratch the glass. If the putty is all cracking, splitting, then it's best removed and replaced. You're not going to have new paint last on it that well.
Do the stripping work first, then re-putty after.
Yes. Then I've mentioned before, but these tungsten blades, they're a lot longer than your normal shop ones. Normal shop ones are about there. That extra 4 inches in length will make all the difference. And it's just so much more leverage. Not that we're actually pushing hard. Yeah, do that there, that's fabulous lead. It's just Play-Doh. You're just working your way through it, so that's all the enamels all gone.
If there was no lead here, the timing would be supersonic fast, be 5-10 minutes really, wouldn't it, for the modern paints, acrylic and enamels.
Did you get the classic houses that have got these sort of windows with the sliding casement ones? And they've got to have those. They're going to have this 100 years plus of different, enamel paints and leads and the whole lot.
How much for this particular sash do you think at this point?
With its facings going around it, this is probably about at least for the whole thing. The window to the left, with this is an exterior one here, with say 3/4 of a litre do right up. And so really this one is from here down, there's no difference there. So that's sort of like a half-litre slice. So there's a half-litre. And it all depends on how thick the paint is. The thicker the paint, the more stripper it uses, but it doesn't use any more refusher and those sorts of things. So
What's Cooper's like on the glass?
it has no effect at all. Now, if I'm doing a window sash like this, I'm often go the lazy way and I'll open it up and unscrew it and take it off and stick it onto the bench. And I'll do anything if I can see a slightly simpler way. And working up upside down always takes a little bit more effort. So.
Oh, I hear the paste.
This is now part 2, which is stripping what's in the surface. So we're taking off what's on. Okay, so part one, take off what's on the wood, that's done. Part two is get out the grain itself. And this is where we get our grip pads. This is, as I said before, it's a plastic nylon weave with a grip that's been put into it. Now, because we're doing an exterior surface, we do not use steel wool. If I got steel wool out, little bits of wool can be embedded into the wood and they'll rust and leave little black dots in the paint. So
Same with a wet room, like a bathroom or a front door.
now when you scrub, if you find yourself scrubbing one part a little bit more, don't let it dry out, just wet it up again. Again, if I've taken the sash off, I can
Take the hinge off.
take the hinge off.
You could make a little bath, couldn't you? And
Yes, you can get a baked bean tin or something. And if you've got a can, let's say this is a steel can, and you put stripper in it, and then you put a bit of water on top, the water will sit on top and make a vapor barrier. And that way, you have a hinge here, you have the hinge sitting in there with the stripper over it, with the water on top, and that can sit in there overnight. And then the next day comes along, you can get the brush and give that a whole scrub, and it comes up like a brand new finish. What we discovered when we got into exterior stripping was to by actually stripping what's in the wood with that last coat of stripper, you've actually got sort of a couple of mil of wood that's actually clean, dry, and absorbent, which is really, really important.
lead-based paint in New Zealand and probably similar in Australia is up to the mid-80s. People think, oh, you have to have an old villa or something, but it is everywhere.
Okay. Three is the brush.
Could you come back tomorrow and do this at this point?
No, we could, but you'd use twice as much flush. So again, good point. The flusher's job is not to neutralise them. People, when they watch this, they go, oh, I'm going to neutralise them. No, we are not. The stripper is already neutral. What we're doing is rinsing away the residues. So we spray, we scrub, we spray, we wipe. Now that surface there is ready for painting.
And timbers like this are full of resins, natural resins. And by not having friction from sanding, you're not bringing those resins to the surface.
So what you do with the stripper is it just removes all those resins in the top layers. Now a lot of people get to this point too and they go, wow, it's so clean, it looks so gorgeous, why don't I just clear finish it? And you do have that option, you can if you want. You've got with clear finishes there's all the maintenance that goes with it. Screwdriver. Do this.
Release out the front.
Wow, that's what you're looking for.
Another thing too to be aware of is where this is in the wall, it has an eave out, and the bottom half has more sun. It has more weathering, and again you get more, the paint just goes more harder. It just takes longer to do its softening. So we're just going to pretend that this is all gone. We call them detail brushes because they're great for these type of places. This is where they really come in. this one started when you turned in, and the other side had been soaking for a bit.
Choose a shady aspect rather than the full blazing sun when you're stripping outside,
Another good point.
or a cloudy day. Cooper's is fine on any timber type, any surface really, veneer, metal, bricks, concrete, plaster, there's some plaster ceilings.
Another good little trick is you get the rag around your broad knife, and you're able to wipe out and get into those parts.
This is a rolled blade, it's thin, not a stamped out blade, and it's flexible.
Yeah, it's very flexible, and it's also, I don't know if you can see, but it's got a storage put in there, which is ideal.
We arranged that and can supply those too. You'll see them on the website. One thing that you can't show in a video is the smell. There is no ammonia, no paint thinner smell. It's really low odour. Are we leaving it there, Simon?
Yeah, so we're done. We've stripped the sash up the side. There's obviously little bits that I haven't finished yet, but that's keeping it real, okay? If I was to get the blade and push through it hard, yes, I can show you how tough I am. But what then is you're going to get flakes of lead, and that's what we're not about. It's all about no sanding. This is like smooth as, it's clean, dry, and absorbent. We've already mentioned our website. Anything here we show you is on our web, coopersstripclub.com. Go there and have a look around.
For painting this window, when should someone do it?
As soon as the flush is dried out, I think that's probably in an hour's time, it's good to go.
Cedar may be a couple of hours. It's kind of a wetty timber, isn't it?
But you can strip and flush and paint, get your primers on, and you first, on that day, it's no drama at all.
Love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning.
Yeah, bye now.
Bye.